Hello, it's Vatrical Program Còmhradh. Hello and welcome to the 4th episode of our brand new series where we teach you some useful Gaelic phrases that can be used in a simple conversation. In this episode, we will teach you how to ask someone their age, tell someone your age, and teach you the numbers from 1 to 10 in Gaelic. To ask someone how old they are, you say Dain is a how. Dain is a how. The polite version of this is Dain is a hashif. Dain is a hashif. To tell someone your age, you simply say ha mi followed by your age. So for example, ha mi fichet, I am 20, or the other way you could say it is ha mi fichet bliana a years, I am 20 years old. Ha mi fichet bliana a years. However, at this point, if you have only just started your Gaelic journey, you will not know what the Gaelic translation is for your age just yet. Across the next few episodes, you will be taught a range of Gaelic numbers up to 100, which will allow you to confidently tell someone your age in Gaelic. You will also be given some background of counting in Gaelic and the two different methods that Gaelic speakers may use today. For now, we will start off easy with the basic Gaelic numbers from 0 to 10. 0 in Gaelic is Njoni, Njoni. 1 is in. 2 is ya, ya. Number 3 is Tri, Tri. 4 is Céhar, Céhar. 5 is Cóig, Cóig. Number 6 is Shia, Shia. 7 is Seach, Seach. 8 is Oak, Oak. 9 is Naig, Naig. And the number 10 is Jich, Jich. In the next episode, you will learn some basic phrases to do with your family. You will be able to tell someone how many brothers and sisters you have and their names, ask someone how many siblings they have, and you will also be taught the numbers from 11 to 20 in Gaelic. Remember to give this video a wee like if you enjoy it, and have a look in the description box below for links to our social media pages for more Gaelic content. Mar sin leibhinn drasta!